Hi guys, welcome to Teal Living. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pan Seared Salmon with cherry tomatoes. This recipe is so light and fresh, it makes such a great family dinner or even just dinner for two. Just a little secret, this recipe is one of my daughter's favorite recipes. And as always, our recipes are allergen conscious. So today we're gonna pair up our Pan Seared Salmon with wild rice. So let's get started. We're going to start by preparing our wild rice. So I have 2 cups of jasmine rice mixed in with 1/8 of a cup of the wild rice. Don't wash it. I'm going to stir fry with a little bit of canola oil, sprinkle a little salt, and it's ready to be cooked in our rice cooker. We're going to start by preparing our cherry tomatoes toppings for our Pan Seared salmon. So I'm gonna cut up some garlic, Vidalia onions, cherry tomatoes, and basil as well. And now we're gonna prepare our salmon. So it's super easy. I usually just squeeze a little lemon and then we're gonna season it with a little salt and pepper. That's it. Now we're ready to pan-sear our beautiful salmon fillet. Once we're pan-seared the salmon, we're gonna move it to the warming oven while we're preparing our melting cherry tomato toppings. Let's get started. So now our salmon is all ready and warming up in the oven. We're gonna start assembling or cook together our cherry tomatoes topping for it. So let's get started. To show you, I'm gonna assemble all of them together. Look at this amazing pan-seared salmon topped up with cherry tomato, balsamic vinegar, and basil served with our simple wild rice. I really cannot wait for you to try this recipe at home. I can't wait to dig in. So let's get started. So let's see. This is so good. The crispiness of the salmon fillet and the fillet is so tender. And let's talk about this amazing flavorful topping. The balance from the sweetness of the cherry tomato and sour from the balsamic vinegar and the basil. It's just added such an amazing aroma. I really cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe at home, whether for your family or for any gathering with your friends. I can guarantee you, whether you have food allergy or not, and you can share on the same table and no one will ever know. So, and mom and dad or even anyone, if you look for a time saver, I can guarantee you would only want to cook once. This recipe is definitely a winner. So please like, comment, and share, and that's how we can really help others, anyone that live with food allergy or not. And don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, Teal Living, and I'll see you next time.